Welcome to Glimpse. In this video, we will talk about 3 essential concepts for anyone who wants to create a website domain hosting and databases. If you are thinking about launching your first website, this explanation will help you understand how websites work in a simple way. Let's get started. 1. What is a domain? Imagine the internet as a big city, and every website is a house within this city. The domain or domain name is the address of that house. It is what you type in the browser to visit a website like Google.com, Facebook.com. But in reality, websites rely on numbers called IP addresses, which are like coordinates for websites, but they are difficult to remember, like 192.168.11. That is why domains are used to make accessing websites easier instead of remembering complex numbers. How to get a domain? You can buy a domain from specialized sites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains. The cost of a domain depends on the extension like calm.org, and some are more expensive than others. 2. What is hosting? Now you have the address domain, but you need a physical house for your website, which is called hosting. Hosting is where your website files, including images, text, and videos, are stored so anyone can access them online. Types of hosting. Shared hosting, the cheapest option, where your site is stored with other sites on the same server, best for small websites. Cloud hosting, faster and more powerful, offering flexible resources as needed. VPS and dedicated servers give you greater control and higher speed, but are expensive and require technical knowledge. Popular hosting providers. Bluehost, great for beginners. SiteGround, excellent performance and speed. Hostinger, budget-friendly option. 3. What is a database? Now that you have a domain and hosting, what about the information stored on your website? This is where databases come in. Think of a database as a huge library where everything on your site is stored and organized, including user information and passwords, posts and articles. Products and online stores. Popular database types. MySQL, the most widely used for websites and e-commerce stores. PostgreSQL, more advanced and used in large-scale projects. MongoDB, great for big data applications, and when creating a website, you need to connect it to a database so it can store and retrieve information when needed. Conclusion: so to build a website, you need a domain, the address of your site, hosting where your website files are stored, a database to store and manage information. If you are thinking about creating your first website, don't worry, it is not as complicated as it seems, and many tools can make the process easier for you. What do you think about these concepts? Are you planning to create your own website? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.